It's quite colorful right now on Rollercoin with a progression event that's currently going on called Crypto Colors. Let's check it out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Okay, it's Crypto Colors on Rollercoin. So let's check out the progression event and all the rewards that you can get in the progression event. On my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin, and at the very top here, the banner Crypto Colors, which is the progression event. If we click on more details, we can see the quests here and all the points you can get for achieving those quests. To get to a higher difficulty level in the game, it's 500 points. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace and except in the crafting offer, that's 1,000 points. Spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, that's 100 points. And if you spend 1 RLT for the crafting offers, again, 5,000 points. It's been consistent with the 5,000 points for the past few progression events, and that is the best way that you can actually boost up in the progression event. Okay, so be sure to do your best to try and do some crafting offers, especially when you do have a multiplier. The multiplier duration for this progression event is 6 hours, and at the time of recording this video, this progression event just started around 30 minutes ago, 25 minutes ago to be exact, and there are still just shy of 3 days remaining for you to be able to complete the progression event and get all the rewards, including the green space miner at 4.35 petahash, which is the most powerful miner in this progression event. So like I always like to do, we're going to check out the list by Piero and the list of rewards that you can get and the total power that you can get in this progression event. So here on my screen, we can see the list. I'm just going to zoom in a bit. Crypto Colors progression event, you've got until the 26th of September, 3 p.m. UTC time to get all the rewards, and this is a 20 level progression event. So starting from the very top, you've got 2 ASIC bit miners, 1,000 points for the first one, and you need another 2,000 points to get the second one. That's going to give you 2.4 terahash with no bonuses, but you can merge those and potentially get more powerful miners. Here you've got the other ASIC bits as well at level 4, 5, and 6. So technically speaking, in this progression event, you can actually merge up to the Unreal ASIC bit when you keep on merging. So when you're merging these two here, you're going to get the uncommon. You'll have 2 uncommons, which you can merge into a rare. Then you merge the 2 rares, and so on and so forth until you hit that Unreal ASIC bit, unless you have it already. There are some RST here as well, so you can see at level 3 here we can get 50 RST, at level 7 you can get another 200, if you make it to level 11 you can get 500 RST, and that is pretty much it for the RST. So in total you can get 750 RST if you manage to at least pass level 11. Moving down the list at level 8, we've got Pink Glazer here at 180 terahash. No bonus for that one, but 180 terahash, especially if you're still starting out, is quite good to get you started. Nucleus, 100 terahash with 1.5% bonus at level 9, and Anti-Phase at level 10 with 125 terahash and 1.5% bonus. There is also a whopping 10 petahash for 1 whole week if you make it past level 12. So if you clear that level, you'll be getting 10 petahash for 7 days as temporary bonus. We've got Azure Dragon at level 13 with 200 terahash and 3% bonus. 3% bonus is nothing bad at all, so quite good if you manage to get the Azure Dragon. Morning Paradise at level 14, 560 terahash with 1.5% bonus. And there's Clover and Over at 530 terahash with 2.5% bonus attached to it as well. You've got a nice rack here with a 15% bonus for each and every miner that you place on the rack. Okay, 2 cell miners, you'll be able to put 3 of those on this rack, and each and every miner will become 15% more powerful, and that is if you pass level 16. JPEG Collector, 100 terahash at 1% bonus at level 17. And then we've got at level 18 Brush and Palette and the uncommon Brush and Palette at level 19, 700 terahash with a 0.75% bonus and 1.837 petahash with 1.8% bonus respectively. And last but not least, level 20 green space at 4.35 petahash with a 1.75% bonus attached to it. So that is pretty much the entire list. As I mentioned, the multiplayer duration, you've got 6 hours with the multiplayer when you exchange your crypto to RLT. Be sure to take advantage of the 35% discounts that start when progression events start. So if we go to the wallet here, we can see that I still need to refresh the page, but there is a 35% discount, and this discount is currently on Matic. Okay, so Polygon, 35% discount on Polygon. It's not going to last for the entire duration of the progression event. Normally this lasts for like 2 days, so be sure to take advantage while you can to get even more RLT for spending less crypto and exchanging less crypto to RLT, and you'll be getting more because you're obviously spending less with the discount. Back to the list, we can see here as well that there are the points that we mentioned already, and that there is the ×1 per 10 RLT. Okay, so this has gone back to normal. The previous progression event, I believe it was 11.11 RLT for each multiplier you want to get. So this time you don't need to exchange as much. It's back to normal. It is back to 10 RLT to get you a ×1 multiplier. Okay, so when you exchange 10 RLT, you'll be getting ×1. So in reality, the first 10 RLT that you spend, this multiplier at the very top here will become ×2 because obviously you've already got that ×1. Remember that all the points I discussed in the very beginning of the video, you need to multiply by that multiplier. Again, 6 hours for you to make use of that multiplier. But you could always wait until 5 hours and 59 minutes have passed and then just exchange some crypto, even just one. The minimum is 1, okay? So if you exchange an equivalent of 1 RLT from your crypto, you will reset that counter and you'll still keep your previous multiplier and add on to it. So just remember that, because that can be very helpful, especially when you don't have enough time in the day, although 6 hours does seem enough. It might not be enough for you, and you can extend that multiplier a little bit more and prolong the chances of you getting even more rewards from the progression event. So good luck to you all. I hope you managed to get all 20 rewards, and I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.